Katabiri nijo siasa uwe kama nanya kona magajwang waduto wan jo Kenya. Kawadhi mbele, waida ni Jatend migao mar tudruok Eliud Owalo timo limbe sikunde moko counties Masia koda Homa Bay kawuono. Owalo yango chenro mag masinde mag lony nyasani mong'ere kaka jitume digital labs. Jatend migao no kwongo oyango chenro sikundu primary mang'ia girls county Masia kapok ne odhi Homa Bay kama odhi chwalo chenro machal kamano.
Program that we are utilizing to empower. It calls for commitment. And we are here with your Deputy Governor, William Odwol.
The digital laboratory is one of the programs that we have within the Kenya Kwanza administration as part of our digital superhighway. In what we call the digital superhighway, there are three main things we want to do. One, we want to ensure that we have got fiber connectivity in each and every part of this country. So, Madam Principal, if you don't have connectivity here, as we roll out the digital superhighway, we are going to connect fiber here, so that these girls can have access to reliable and stable internet. The other thing we are doing is setting up free Wi-Fi hotspots. So that people don't have to buy bundles. Okay? So we are also going to connect a free Wi-Fi hotspot, not just outside at the Nia market here, but also within the school. The other thing we are doing is establishing and operationalizing these digital laboratories. We have just done one here. We are doing a total of 1,450 digital laboratories all over the country.
Jalup Governor Masia William Odwolo